Oh, wow.
That's really good.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right, guys, we're back. I'm with my buddies, Anthony and Marlie. They're 5 years into living in the Pacific Northwest.
Yeah, 5 years.
5 years.
This rain, you're used to it?
Oh, it's nothing.
Feel like
Nothing for
home.
us. This is home.
Especially out here in the nature in the Pacific Northwest, you have to be outside if you live up in this area.
Well, we're gonna rock out the simplest grilled steak. We're gonna do it over this kind of charred wedge salad.
Oh, yes.
These are some gorgeous ribeyes, and when you've got fire and you've got good meat, all you need is really salt. And you really want to salt from up high, so you kind of crust it on there. That looks beautiful. There's a lot of fat in this, and the fat will just kind of char up.
Oh, yeah. See, this is what I can do.
Yeah. You give them some tongs, some meat, and some fire. The second they do, they're like, game on. I'm here for the next 2 hours. I love it. Now, you guys travel all over the place.
Yes, yes. We gotta let people know what are the local restaurants are like. But maybe after this, you might, start cooking a little
Smell
bit
a
more.
new series.
Yeah.
There we go.
I'm just gonna massage you. You want to massage with me? You didn't think with these nails you were gonna get.
I know.
This is how we do it. We get a little rustic out here.
There we
Yeah.
go.
And these are just iceberg wedges. When you have a fire, you can kind of char it, and it gives it a whole different kind of vibe. This, I'm gonna go right over. You got it?
Right over the
Yeah.
fire right there.
And we're not really trying to like cook these through. We're trying to like get them dark.
Okay.
Any idea what this herb is?
Rosemary.
You nailed that. This stuff grows like weeds here. You can find this everywhere. I'm just kind of using it as like a brush with some lemon juice and all that pepper. And this you can kind of baste your steaks with. By adding this oil, it's gonna start making the fire kind of reach up a little bit. It's also gonna give it like a little kiss of that rosemary. Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah.
You guys have traveled all over.
Yes.
Favorite spot?
One of my favorite spots was Placentia, Belize.
Ooh.
It was so beautiful. The people were so nice. The area was amazing.
My favorite spot was actually when we camped for the first time on the side of Mount St. Helens.
Ooh.
That was pretty awesome. Just being out there on the side of the mountain, you can see the moon just sitting there like you can touch it. That's probably my favorite.
I love it, man. You
Ooh,
see how
there we
much
go.
more it's flaming up, right?
Yeah.
That's the oil. See, I just got a little bit of char. That's all this thing needs. Look at this. And now we have the lemon juice in there. We've got a little bit of olive oil. Try that.
It's actually really good.
Really good.
We gotta go big.
Little drizzle game, man.
Creamy dressing I can do all day, every day. And then what we got there is just some chopped vegetables, some tomatoes, we got some onions, some parsley. You don't have to not have salad just because you're outside. Make that dressing ahead of time, chop up some veg, put it in a jar. I'd dip some chips into that. Over here, you can hear it. It's kind of like talking to us. This guy's done. Look how gorgeous that looks.
Oh, wow.
I'm just gonna take this puppy. And just like a light smoke. See how we did.
Oh, wow.
That's really good.
Look at that.
Wow.
Cheers to more traveling, more outdoor cooking.
Cheers. This is dope.
Yeah, I
Oh, yeah.
love it. For more recipes like this, click the link.